How to hire a remote software development team in Ukraine and Europe. Remote developers build mobile applications, Android and iPhone, web applications, custom CMS and CRM systems, IoT solutions, and embedded software. The market for remote programmers is represented by a large number of experienced software developers who are ready to work remotely on Android, iOS, web applications, desktop applications, embedded software, and more. Why do you need to hire remote software developers? There are many reasons to hire remote developers. A chance to lower your expenses. Opportunity to diversify the workforce and get access to a wider pool of talents. Flexibility and freedom for your employees. An alternative to outsourcing and the risk of losing control over the product development process. A chance to get access to some of the most talented developers in Ukraine and Europe. The number of remote jobs has increased by 91.5% in the last 10 years, as more and more companies realize the benefits of hiring remote employees. Remote workers are generally happier, less stressed, and more productive than their office counterparts. When you hire remote software developers, you get the ability to create a global team that collaborates in real time. If you are looking for ways to increase your team's productivity or simply want to save money on salaries, hiring remote software developers is a good way to go. It's a common thing when startups can't afford high pay for talent. When companies try to limit their expenses, they hire remote workers in countries where the cost of living is lower but the quality of IT specialists remains high. That's why many companies from all over the world hire remote software developers from Ukraine and Eastern Europe. The advantage of remote work is obvious: it's more affordable and time efficient. There are no business trips, no office rent, no taxes. Such a model is especially attractive when hiring software engineers. The reason is simple: there are many talented developers in Eastern Europe and Ukraine, and they can get the job done well at a reasonable price. How many developers in Ukraine and Europe? The Ukrainian IT industry is booming, and this is your chance to get ahead of the competition. You'll be able to hire the best software developers in Ukraine for a fraction of what they would cost in the US or UK. And remote development provides many advantages over outsourcing to India or China. Ukraine is a European country. That makes communication easy. You can be sure that you're talking to people who share your cultural values and understand your priorities. Ukraine has the largest proportion of IT specialists in Europe, so there's an abundance of great candidates for you to choose from. Ukraine is one of the biggest IT outsourcing centers in Europe. The country has a lot of outsourcing companies that work with both local and foreign clients. In this video, we will talk about the Ukrainian IT outsourcing market, how it works, and why you may want to hire remote software developers from Ukraine. Ukrainian market overview. The Ukrainian IT market is constantly growing. In 2019, its total volume exceeded $4 billion, which makes it one of the largest IT markets in Europe and Central Asia. Since the early 2000s, the number of IT specialists has increased by more than 10 times, from 30,000 to over 350,000. As of now, there are more than 223,000 people working in over 4,400 companies registered as IT enterprises. In their turn, these companies serve clients both locally and abroad. According to DOU statistics, Ukraine's biggest programmer community, currently 34% of IT specialists are already working remotely or are ready to opt for this work mode in case an offer appears. For remote developers, location is not a limiting factor. Anywhere in the world, you can build an awesome team. Interesting fact: Ukrainian developers have the highest purchasing power, according to The Economist's Big Mac Index. Eastern Europe market overview. Eastern Europe is one of the most popular outsourcing destinations for U.S. companies. According to the Developer Economics Survey, Eastern Europe has the second largest concentration of developers in Europe after Western Europe. There are more than 2 million developers in Eastern European countries alone. Popular technologies for software development. Companies that hire remote software developers are looking for candidates with a broad range of skills. Most remote software developer jobs will require some experience in web development and cloud technologies. However, it is also common to see remote opportunities that focus on mobile development, artificial intelligence, AI, data analysis, and other complex subjects. Here are the most popular technologies for software development: C#/.NET, Python, JavaScript, React, Angular, Vue, etc. Here is a video on how to find a web developer in Ukraine and save money. HTML/CSS, Java, C++. Additionally to software developers, DevOps is also a very popular position right now. Please pay attention to this video if you hiring DevOps engineer. How to recruit remote software developers. We help companies hire the best remote software developers. MindHunt is a team of professional IT recruiters with over 10 years of experience in the IT recruitment industry and expertise in sourcing, screening, and hiring developers from Ukraine and Europe. We've built a network of top software development companies in Ukraine and Europe, where we can source experienced and talented developers who are ready to join your company. Our mission is to help companies hire remote software developers who will contribute to their business goals. We offer a highly personalized approach and work closely with you to understand your needs so that we can match you with the right developer. With our help, you can hire the right person within 1 to 4 weeks on average. In this video, we described what is an IT recruitment agency and why you should use one. If you need IT recruiting services, please contact us for a free consultation using the link in the description. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.